Welcome again to our next lesson. So right now I'm gonna teach you how to import this creator of us on Twinmotion so we can work on Twinmotion, make some renderings and work on our garden. And let's start to do this. After we have our object, we need to save that. Let's call Twinmotion course, Twinmotion and ArchiCAD course, right? Save to the desktop. First thing first, what we need to do after we have saved this is to go open the Twinmotion. Hopefully you have installed. After we have installed Twinmotion, what we need to do is go to the Twinmotion, and somewhere here download the plugins, install them. It will be just one, you should install that, and let's launch our Twinmotion. So this is what we will have after we launch the Twinmotion. We are going to new scene, and it will appear. This one is with the right click you are going left, right, up, down, with W forward, with S back, D right, A left. So if we press shift again it is faster, but if you press numbers 1 it will go so slowly, 2 a little bit faster, with number 3 even more, 4 and 5. With 5 I think we have a really nice speed, right? So what I'm doing always is I close this one, and to start to import our project from ArchiCAD here, we go to our ArchiCAD, and you should have this one. But how you can find that? It's easy. Press the window button, palettes, and you can see there Datasmith. You see it's so easy to find it. You can put where you want. I want to have that here, and this will help us always. If we press this button here, whatever we can change on our project, it will change also at our Twinmotion project. This is a really nice feature what we have here. So to import, we press this plus here, and will appear this page. Let me see. We don't need to change nothing. We are going to the direct link, and we should choose our name, our project, what we have called. Press the import button, Go back again to ArchiCAD and press this button here. Wait a little bit, go again to Twinmotion, and we will have our project there. So first thing first, what I do when I work on a new project, I go and make a save. Desktop, course, save, and now I'm ready to work. It's really easy and nice to work with ArchiCAD. It doesn't take a lot of time and effort to work on it. We have materials. We can choose many materials here, but we have another one as well. I'm gonna tell you that later. Vegetations for trees, so many trees, landscapes, bushes, grass. I'm gonna teach you how we can make grass as well, rocks, and some other stuff like this one. We have also here other objects. If we don't like them, we can choose from here some sofa, for example, if we are not so happy with the other. Plants, decorations, electronics, so many things. I would really say take a time and see all the stuff what we have inside the Twinmotion, because it's so much stuff inside. One really lights as well, but one really cool feature what we have right now, it is this one, mega scans. If we go there and surfaces, we have also so many other materials, a lot of other materials. For example, that's concrete, for example, dirty or painted concrete. We can go so much down. We have so many concretes as well. So if you are logged in, you can just download there. And like this it works. So what I would like to do is start putting all the materials try to find the right material for us. This one looks good as well. Like this. Because this is a bungalow, we can try to make more with. Let's go here. After we put, we can change the color if we need it a little bit darker. We can scale, can make a really big one. It depends on our need. We can rotate. When we go to the details, we can move to choose the perfect spot for our home, maybe like this. We can work on roughness, 55 maybe, or metallic, but this is not for concrete. Something what I use all the time is here. If I want the weather to detect my walls or which part of my house, if you want that, you can select. If you don't want that, you can unselect and the weather will not appear there. For example, snow or what you can have there as well. The same one we can make for our columns there. And we need to choose something good, but I will probably change this on our ArchiCAD. I will change this because I don't like that at all. After I change, I go to the 3D because otherwise it won't work. And it's gonna work like this. Maybe I can make the same like there.